How to share TikTok video on Facebook story. So if you want to share TikTok video on your Facebook story, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now for example, you can simply choose video. So I'll be choosing this video. You just need to simply go with the share icon, which is on the bottom right. Tap on share, and here you will have Facebook option. Tap on Facebook, and it will take some time to load, and it will direct you to your Facebook post or your Facebook story. And now you can simply tag someone if you want to. But if it takes you to the post section, then you need to simply go with the upper side, which is share to feed, and go with the drop down. And here you will have on a friend's profile or in a group. But if you don't get on a story option, then you can simply go back and discard and go with the share again and swipe right and go with more. And after that, you'll get this kind of interface. Just enlarge that. And once you enlarge it, you'll have the Facebook, and under that you will have drop down. You can simply go with the drop down and you will have your newsfeed or your groups. So you can see that you don't have an option to share that on your Facebook story, but you can simply go with your newsfeed and then you can add that to your newsfeed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.